So you want to get your videos in front of people in your area so you can use them to grow your local business. Hey, it's Arit here with Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. And in today's video, I'm going to share a couple tips with you that will help serve up your videos to more people in your area. So let's get right into it. The first way is to tag the location on your video when you're uploading it. So I'll show you where to do this. When you are uploading a video to your channel here, and I'm just gonna upload a random video for the sake of this demonstration. So I'll just go here, let's just choose this video, and it's gonna start to upload. So if you scroll down, I'm just gonna click show more, and scroll down to where it says recording date and location. Right here is where you can choose the location and start. I'm going to start typing it and it will come up here. You just need to select the location and make sure that's filled out. What tagging the location does, it lets viewers filter their videos by location. So let's say they want to see videos from creators who are in Vancouver, then your video is going to pop up for that particular search term, whatever they're looking for. But it will also help the algorithm serve up your videos to people who are local in your area, and it does this on its own. The algorithm will promote you based on your location because it knows where that viewer is watching from. So you can increase your visibility by doing this. The other thing you can do as well is when you're optimizing your videos for the search engines, you want to include your location in the keywords that you're using to optimize the video around. So again, I'll give you an example. We did some videos for a local company here. They are a security systems company, and they wanted their videos to come up when someone was typing into the search, either on Google or YouTube, Vancouver security systems. So we optimized this video for the search engines for that particular phrase, Vancouver security systems. We put in the title, in the tags, in the description, and let's actually find out if it's still ranking. So Vancouver security systems, I'm typing into Google, and I'm going to go to the videos tab here. So it actually, this is one of their videos right here, Just Security. So they're ranking number 2. Here's another one. Here's another one as well. So these videos were posted, this one was in 2021, this one here in 2018. So even years after they've been posted, they're still ranking in the search on Google. And I just opened up a new tab just now on YouTube to see if they're still ranking for Vancouver security systems. And I'm scrolling down and I see this playlist here with all of their videos. So you can do the same thing. If you're a business, let's say you're a local gym, and you want to create videos that come up when people are in your area, then you can optimize your videos for these search terms that include your city or area. And if you want to know how to do the keyword research and also how to leverage YouTube more to get more business in your area, then I created a separate video which I'll link to in the description below so you can check that out. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button to let YouTube know this is good content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.